I decided to come to college because I didn't really like high school and I felt that I needed a change, and college was the best option for me because it's close to where I live and I like the idea of my own independence. The atmosphere in college is really nice, it's quite chilled. We all get sort of freedom to do what we like on breaks and stuff, and we get to wear what we like, we get to dye our hair as we like, and it's much more freedom, it's quite chilled. It's good for young people, I think.
When I left high school, I think I was quite nervous and I was very anxious about what I wanted to achieve and wanted to knuckle down as hard as I possibly could. But I think on arrival to college, because I've had so much support and so much help, I've been much more confident in my abilities, so I feel just that bit more relaxed, which is actually a big help.
I decided to come to college because I wanted to do my A-levels to go into further education. My favourite part so far has been actually getting to learn the subject that I wanted to do, because the ones that you do in GCSE is basically all the base ground information, but this is when you're going into further, it does become more interesting the more information you actually get out from it.
Well, my favourite subject is probably psychology and biology. Both are very interesting and the classes are nice, teachers are good, and there's a lot of practicals that you can do in biology, which I like, the practical side of it. Since the classes are quite small in the college, you get a lot of one-on-one. So if you're ever struggling with something and too embarrassed to say in front of a class, you can easily email them and they will give you more personal attention, so that's really good.
I love studying the sciences and maths is what I've chosen, but I also really enjoy speaking about what we've learned with my peers. So when we've been learning something in the lesson, we'll always talk about it during the lesson, maybe after the lesson, make sure everybody understands. And it does make learning much more fun than I would have anticipated, because A-levels are perceived as quite difficult, quite arduous, but if you're talking about it with somebody else like we are, then I think it's much more achievable and enjoyable as well.
They're not really lectures, they're more discussions, which is really good. You feel it's like every lesson is a one-to-one, in that if you have any questions, they will be answered. Especially with psychology and physics, I would say the most, is it's really just a conversation. You just talk with the tutor and you talk with everyone else, and then everyone learns together because you're all just, whenever you have any questions, there's no stupid questions, you just ask them.
I think it's great. I think you should definitely come 100%. You will have so many opportunities, you'll have friends, you'll find it enjoyable, and you'll also achieve your ambitions in the long run, so I recommend it.